Welcome to Louisiana Outdoor Experience. I am coming to you in the middle of the week, and I've decided whenever I get one of these bad boys in, which is the Matrix Baitbox, I will be doing that as not a weekly video and just as an unboxing video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our new content. Show you what it looks like. Alright, so the first thing I notice are these Matrix Minis. And I'm going to show you all three colors. These are the Kryptonite. They're 15-pack laminate of black and green with silver flake and shavings almost. There is this pack of minis, which is the Blue Horizon, which is another laminate bait. Blue and clear laminate with, looks like, silver shavings inside of it. And the last pack of the minis is a pack of the Ladies Night. They are pink and clear with silver shavings, it looks like, in them. So that's cool. Two other things that came in the box were these Matrix shrimp. They come pre-rigged on a swim hook. So the next thing I notice is these Vortex Sheds. They got 2 packs of them, and they're the Kamikaze color, which is the top is a pink laminate, the bottom is a clear laminate. They have chartreuse tails and silver shavings, it looks like, in it. They sent a pack of Golden Eye hooks, which is Matrix's Jig Heads. And also we have, of course, some Matrix Shed tiger bait, which the tiger baits are the tiger baits are a chartreuse and purple laminate with silver flake on the inside. And actually they sent a discount code for Fitzgerald fishing. So you get things like that. I'm really excited to use some of these Matrix minis in the fall, whether it be for crappie or even drop shotting for bass. That about wraps it up for this unboxing. I know these unboxings aren't fun. I'm just kind of showing what's out there. Chris, we definitely need to go fishing to try a bunch of these baits out. I'm calling them out on here, so if y'all don't see a video of us saltwater fishing, you know whose fault it is. As always, find us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, anywhere you'd like, with the links in our description below. Pick up one of these hats. Use the code FrankAF to receive 15% off at FishyAF. If you have any questions on the products, anything you want to see,